In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an Azure API key in Cursor AI step by step, so you can connect your Azure OpenAI setup quickly and start using your own deployment inside Cursor. This is a simple process, but if you miss one setting, the connection won't work properly, so I'll walk you through it carefully from start to finish. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Cursor AI on your computer and wait for the app to load fully. Once Cursor is open, look at the bottom left corner of the window. You should see the gear icon, which is the settings button. Click that gear icon to open the Cursor settings menu. Inside settings, you'll want to find the model section. This is where Cursor keeps the configuration options for different AI providers and model connections. Click on models and then look for the API keys area. This is the section where you can connect external API credentials, including Azure OpenAI. Now, look for the Azure OpenAI settings. Depending on your version of Cursor, this may appear as a specific section or field group for Azure connection details. Here, you'll need to enter your Azure information carefully. There are usually three main values you need to paste in. The first one is your base URL. This is the endpoint for your Azure OpenAI resource, and it has to be copied exactly as provided in your Azure portal. Next, enter your deployment name. This should match the name of the model deployment you created in Azure OpenAI. Then, paste in your API key. This is the secret key that allows Cursor to authenticate with your Azure service. Take your time here and make sure each value goes into the correct field. A small typo in the base URL or deployment name can prevent the connection from working, so double check everything before moving on. Once all three values are filled in, look for the Enable option and turn it on. This activates the Azure OpenAI connection inside Cursor. After that, Cursor should be able to use your Azure API key with the settings you entered. If everything is correct, you are now connected and ready to use your Azure OpenAI deployment inside the app. If you run into any issues, go back and verify the base URL, deployment name, and API key again, because those are the most common places where mistakes happen. And that's it. You've successfully added your Azure API key in Cursor AI. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.